Hi Betty, this is Kelvin Cologne, Internet Sales Manager at Toyota of Melbourne. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and to send you some pictures of the 2012 Corolla that you inquired about. Thank you for taking the time to view the short video that I prepared for you. If you have any questions or you'd like to get a better look at this Corolla, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 321-254-8888, extension 265. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.